Excuse me. Just go. Do you have a girlfriend?
Why? Why did you ask?
This is
robbed and you told her to call the police. If you were to go to her, you would have told me to call the ambulance.
I am so sorry, Jemima. I should have told you the truth.
Yeah, you should have. But it's fine. I kind of understand the position that you were in. She needed you and you had to be there for her. I love you, Eddie. And I'm glad you came. And I also feel like everything that has happened just so that we could meet.
I love you so much, baby. So much. Come here.
It can surpass anything, but a little misunderstanding can becloud what the heart feels. Looks are deceiving, so trust is important for this love to survive. We gotta learn how to trust each other. Oh, we gotta learn how to trust each other. I trust you, you trust me. We gotta learn how to trust each other. Where does love to survive? We must trust each other. Learn how to trust each other.